Have you ever wondered why some people reach the top while others give up halfway? It's not luck, it's not talent, it's practice. The power that turns ordinary people into extraordinary achievers. Hello everyone, welcome back to my bright path. So today I'm going to talk about the power of practice. We all know that practice makes a man perfect. But have you ever thought what this really means? Practice is not just about repeating something again and again, it's about improving a little every day. When we practice regularly, our mistakes become lessons and our weaknesses turn into strengths. Whether it's learning English, playing a sport, or mastering a skill, practice gives us confidence and control. Think about great dancers, singers, or athletes. They were not born perfect. They became great because they practiced daily with patience and dedication. Practice also teaches us discipline. It reminds us that success doesn't come overnight, it comes step by step, day by day. So never give up if you fail in the beginning. Keep practicing, keep learning, and one day you will surprise yourself with how far you have come. In simple words, practice is the key that unlocks success. And remember, every minute you spend practicing is an investment in your future. If you want to shine like the sun, you must burn like the sun. That means hard work and practice every single day. So let's promise ourselves today that we will keep practicing no matter how difficult it gets because one day our practice will turn into perfection. Because practice turns ordinary people into extraordinary achievers. It builds not only skills but also confidence, patience, and belief in yourself. So keep going, keep practicing, and keep believing because one day the world will clap for the effort you are putting in today. And when that day comes, you will look back and realize every struggle, every failure, every late night practice was worth it. So never stop because practice has the power to change not only your skills but your life. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, and